Namaste friends, I am Dr. Meenakshi Ravi, in charge of Nada Arogya channel. Through Nada Arogya channel, today I would like to offer our prayers and Shivagana Samarpanam to Lord Shiva in this month, which is called as Kartika Masa, which is very precious, which is very unique to Lord Shiva and also Vishnu. But Shivaganamritam or Shivagana Samarpanam is offered to Lord Shiva or Shankara. As a musician and as a music therapist, what I have experienced is Nada in different forms, that is Pranavanada or Omkara, Sanskrit verses or shlokas, bhajans, and also Carnatic classical music, Indian music as such. It is all derived out of Nada or Pranavanada. The scriptures say that Nada and Shankara both are same. That is, Nada is derived out of Shankara. So today I am going to share with all of you a few important reflections how Nada is closely connected with Lord Shankara. During this month of Kartika, Lord Shiva is worshipped with great reverence and prayers are offered. It is also known as Purushottama Masa, as it is believed that Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu exist together during this holy month. The significance of the holy Kartika month is marked by Deeparadhana, the lighting of the lamps. I really feel blessed to share few important reflections about Shiva and Nada and also offer Shivagana Samarpanam to Lord Shiva or Shankara. Shiva is the embodiment of Nada. Saptaswaras originate from Omkara or Pranavanada, which is the glorious form of Lord Shiva. Saint Tyagaraja, in his composition Swararaga Sudha in Raga Dhir Shankarabharana, says that Lord Shankara conveyed to Parvati all the secrets of Swararnama, literally the ocean of Swaras. Hence, Lord Shiva is the embodiment of musical art and Samaveda, the acme of the Vedic domain. From Sadyojata and other phases of Lord Shankara, the scale of Sarigama Padani arose. Lord Shiva is the main essence of rhythm or laya too. Nada manifests in the form of Omkara, stotras or verses, mantras, chants, poetry and good music. All these are the powerful media to gain control over the senses and wavering of the human mind and thereby improve the power of concentration. It is truly proclaimed that Gana Parataram Nahi, that is, among all the paths of the redemption, music is considered the very best. Here comes the health elements of Nada and also therapeutic element of Nada. How Nada is interrelated, it's closely related to our Arogya or health. In music, the song, note and raga, all three cannot have existence without Nada. The song is filled with Nada. The instruments follow and express Nada. The dance forms are following both the song and the instrument. Hence, all the three, song, music and dance, are subsets of Nada. The letter originates from Nada. A group of letters gives birth to a word. Sentences form from words. This facilitates communication, which is essential part of all the activities happening around us. Every event is dependent on Nada only by virtue of contemplating an all encompassing divine Nada, the Trinity, the Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, or attaining worthiness of being worshipped. In his composition in Begade Raga, Saint Tyagaraja sang Nadopasana Chese Shankara Narayana Vidulu Velasiri Omanasa. Thus, music through Nada Brahma invokes energy with a specific purpose of healing. It is quite natural that a profound influence occurs on the listeners too. So now we understand how Nada has an impact on our health and also how it acts as a therapeutic intervention for the individuals who are in special needs. I'll be singing a composition of Saint Tyagaraja in the Raga Kamavardhini set to Rupaka Tala. Shambho Mahadev, Shambho Mahadev, Shambho Mahadev, Shambho Mahadev, Shankara Girija Ramana Shambho Mahadeva, Shankara Girija Ramana Shambho Mahadeva, Shankara Girija Ramana Shambho Mahadeva. Shankara Shambho Mahadeva, Shambho Mahadeva, Sharanagata Janarakshaka, Shambho Mahadeva, Sharanagata Janarakshaka, Ambhoruhalochana Padambuja Bhaktim Dehi, Ambhoruhalochana Padambuja Bhaktim Dehi, Shambho Mahadeva, Shankara Girija Ramana Shambho Mahadeva. Paramadaya Karamrugadhara Hara Gangadhara Dhara Sridhara Bhushana Tyagaraja Hridaya Nivesha Shambho Shambho परमदयाकर मृगधर हर गंगाधर धर श्रीधर भूषण त्यागराज हृदय निवेश शंभो शंभो सूर्यवृंद किरीटमणि वरनीराजित पदकोरुवासुनि सुंदरेश गिरीश परात्पर भवहर सूर्यवृंद किरीटमणि वरनीराजित पदकोरुवासुनि सुंदरेश गिरीश परात्पर भवहर शंभो महादेव शंकर गिरिजारमणा शंभो महादेव शंकरा